To make animated videos in Canva, let's come over to this plus sign here and select a video document. We'll go with the video landscape. In the editor here, we're going to click on this plus sign. To add a blank page, I'm going to change this page color into black, and I'll go over to text here. To add a text box, I'm going to type in my text, click out, and click back into my text box and increase the font size to 400. Let's go into the fonts. To change the font, we'll be using the Anton font, and let me pull that up to position it to the middle and to the center. Now that I have this, I'm going to duplicate this text box. Notice that my playhead is here and it's putting all this here. So I'm just going to pull it in like so that it's the same size with my page. Let's take the playhead to the beginning. I'll come to the text above and go to effects and come to holo to make it a holo. Now reduce the holo size to 30. Let's go into our elements tab to search for smoke and ink, and I will come to the video options here and click on see all. So I would select this clip and I will drag it up and position it at the middle of it, and I will click on the video and click on background remover, and I'll remove the background of my video. From here, I'm going to make sure the video is selected and come to speed to speed it up to 1.5. Close it in so it's the same size with my page. To preview this video, want to click on preview to see our video we created. Once you're happy with this animation video, I'm going to come to share here. Click on download and I will hit on download.